Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master 101. I'm sorry guys, for the past few days I couldn't make any videos at all. The reason why I have a strike on my channel, like several strike, and the videos, I don't know what happened. There's a lot of videos that they are targeting me, and I have to peel them, and tell them I gotta wait. And next thing you know, that's the reason I didn't post any videos. I'm trying to make a live trade. I couldn't make any live trade because of just that reason. That's why you didn't see me. But they fix it now, so everything's back to normal. I'm glad. So sorry guys if you miss me, I miss you too. So basically that's what happened. As you can see, the market is having a good time for the past few days because of power. Powell says gonna have a rate cut and make 25 basis point. This morning I made a quick 20%. That's what I'm gonna do every day. Every day I'm gonna make 20% every day. The option I bought today when the market opened at 9:30, it was at this one I bought at 668 option call. I buy it for 4046 and he ended up selling it at 056. 056. I bought 20%. 20% for my portfolio going up. As you can see, look at the chart. Look at the chart. The look at on the daily look very nice. As you can see, it look very nice, very clean. As you can see, and yes, you can see it's very nice. And if you can see on the 30 minutes time frame as well, the 10 minute sorry, the 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame is very good. As you can see, the MACD, I bought it when the MACD cross over there. When that time it was at 6, and next thing you know, you go up, you go up, you go up, and it was at 65. I can see right here is 65 over here. Look over here, look over here. See, looking over there. Okay, so when I bought it, I was at 65, and next thing you know, we go all the way to 66, and next thing you know, today went all the way to 67. I was able to make under 20% call, 20% gain. So basically, slowly, so basically 0.46, and next thing you know, I said for 0.56. If you can see on this one, you can see this is this is the option I bought over there, and this is how much I made today. I make 20% today, and hopefully it's gonna go higher. It went all the way to this one, all the way to 0.60. So I don't know if it's gonna go back. It's turning back and forth flat. If you do the 10% right now, if you go, for example, for 0.46, when I buy it, you can go in 10% right now. So it's gonna be 10% boom for you if you really want to make 10%. Be very easy, boom, 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 in and out. If you between 10 to 20% daily, so basically if you do 20% daily, that's for the week you do double your portfolio regardless. Okay, if you got $20 by the end of the week, you got $40. If you have 40, you got 80. If you have 80, you got 160. So basically that's what I'm doing every day. I do 20%. It's very simple. So I'm about like 10 to 20 minutes in the market, and after I'm out, and after I get a hold of the rest of the day to do everything like what I want to do, and next you know, no one gonna interrupt me since basically I already did what I gotta do, which is making money for for the day. As you can see, Apple is going down, and Apple is going down. Tesla is going down. Yesterday Tesla make a nice jump yesterday. Tesla went from 234 to 243. It was a nice jump, and then today is trying to move back up today. As you can see, MACD is still down. Yesterday, as you can see, they cross and they make a nice jump. MACD is a nice indicator. Look at that, pure beauty. And now MACD is down. That's why the market is down. And also Nvidia make a nice rebound yesterday. It was beautiful, but again, I do one trade per day, and then if I make money, if I don't make money, I'm out. So you can see yesterday the market was bad on Nvidia. MACD crossed down. It was down, 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 and boom, the MACD crossed, boom, and it went from 175 to all the way to 184, boom. So basically, have it on that functional vibe, but I have the 30 minutes, and then I have the MACD when it cross and is above zero is option call. What's that do? And then make 20% easy money. And next thing you know, you got this, the market go for 80%, 100%. The thing is, you go up your portfolio slowly, okay? 20%, You catch your wave, you in and out, and no hard, no fall. That's how it is. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how trader is. Trader is not about like making big money every day. It's the slow amount that you build daily that's gonna accumulate it slowly by a month. If you do $20 for a month, that 20, the first is gonna be 40, the second is gonna be 80, the third one gonna be 160, the fourth one's gonna be 300. So basically, for $20 in one month, you got $300. That $300, that's 10x of your portfolio, 20% daily. Okay, if you do 200, that 3200, that 3200, if you have a room, for example, you can pay your rent for 1200, you got in the 200, you get paid for 2000, you take out $2000 for that 3200, that $2000, so you can pay your rent, whatever it is, your bill. The next month for $1000, you can turn to 10x, which is $10,000. That $10,000, that's a big money. The 10,000, you can take $6,000, and next you can buy you a nice street car, and so on and so forth. And that $4,000 next month is gonna be $40,000. $40,000, you can treat yourself as well with $20,000, 20,000. Now you can have looking for housing, and next thing you know, that on the $20,000, the next month is gonna be $300,000, and then now you can have a house. You don't have to live in an apartment. That 3 month to 4 month, 20% a daily is easy money. And next thing you know, by 6 months, you'll be financial free, you'll be a millionaire. Next thing you know, because the next 200k is gonna be 3.2 million. The 3.2 million, you can do whatever you want to do. Now become a 3 to 6 months. All you gotta do is between 10 to 20% daily. You don't have to be frustrated. All I gotta do, I use the indicator MACD. When you cross, it's above EMA 200, and next thing you know, boom, MACD cross, stock RSI cross, and next thing you know, RSI cross, boom, and next thing you know, I make money. This is how simple it is. When it cross down, I don't buy it, I don't worry about it, I let it slide and wait for my cue to go back in, and next thing you know, I'll be able to make money 10-20%. So that's how it is. Make it simple. As you can see right now, it's moving up slowly. If you can see, like I said earlier, you see 668. Now it's become 41. Every day when you hold your account, your trade is gonna go down because of theta gonna burn it very fast. So basically that's what I do in and out. I do 10 to 20 minutes trade, sometime an hour. That's depend on how the market move. But after that, I got my 20% in, boom, and I'm out and I'm done for the day. I already did trade for the day today. I'm done for the trade day. I already cash out. I bought it for 46 and I said for 56, which is a quick trade, and I'm happy about it. Again, look at the graph, look at the chart, and it's making easy. I'm gonna try to do that every day to see which stock I'm watching, so you can see that, and then you can be part of it. It's not financial advice, but again, you can see live how I trade, how I make money. The thing is, the three factors you gotta do: the EMA 200, the price has to be above EMA 200, and the MACD has to cross uptrend above zero line, and then as you know, a stock outside we cross over, and our side to be cross over. It will be above the signal line. When those four make the criteria, I buy it and I sell for 20%. That's easy money. That's a guarantee. You can trade any stock you want. You can pick and choose any stock. I usually just pick the stock that have the option expire weekly, so basically they have more momentum, and also they have higher volume, which is easy for you to go in and out very easy. But the stock that are very slow, that slow momentum, you're gonna be here for a while, especially they have not enough volume, so they're gonna be stuck for a while, and next thing you know, you probably lose money because they're gonna be against you every day that goes on. And thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe, share for something new. And again, I'm back. I wish you guys well and make money together. And I'll see you guys next one. Ciao.